You've heard the phrase, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Cute. But what if I told you there are fruits out there that don't just keep the doctor away, they go straight up ninja mode on cancer cells? I'm talking about real, peer-reviewed, science-backed fruits that show powerful anti-cancer properties. Not myths, not hype, actual compounds that target and kill cancer cells while leaving your healthy cells alone. Sounds like sci-fi, but it's real. And you've probably walked past them 1,000 times in your grocery store. Let's get one thing clear. Food isn't just fuel. It's information. It tells your cells what to do, heal, grow, or self-destruct. And certain fruits are packed with phytochemicals, plant compounds that literally trigger cancer cell death. Ready to meet them? Fruit number 1. Soursop, aka graviola. This fruit doesn't just taste like a tropical dream. It comes loaded with acetogenins, a compound shown in lab studies to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and stop tumors from forming new blood vessels. That's right, it basically chokes the life out of them. Studies have shown effects against breast, prostate, colon, liver, and even pancreatic cancer cells. Now, is it a miracle cure? No, but as a supportive part of your diet, soursop is a beast. Fruit number 2, berries. All of them. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, these tiny powerhouses are bursting with anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and quercetin. Translation: they're antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-tumor. They literally protect your DNA from damage, slow the growth of cancer cells, and promote apoptosis, which is the fancy word for cell suicide. Cancer cells hate that. The darker the berry, the better. And you don't need a lot. Just a cup a day makes a serious impact. Fruit number 3, papaya. This one's a sleeper hit. Not only is it loaded with vitamin C and folate, but it contains papain, an enzyme that helps break down abnormal proteins and supports the immune system in detecting rogue cells. In lab tests, papaya leaf extract has shown anti-cancer effects against breast, liver, and pancreatic cancers. Plus, it supports your gut, which is 70% of your immune system's home base. And a strong immune system, your best defense against cancer. Fruit number 4, grapes, especially red or black. Ever heard of resveratrol? It's one of the most studied plant compounds on Earth, found mainly in grape skins. It stops cancer cells from dividing, blocks inflammation, and can even disrupt the cancer cell's energy source. One study showed resveratrol made cancer cells more vulnerable to treatment, like softening the walls before a siege. And fun fact, the seeds? Even stronger. Grape seed extract has shown serious anti-cancer effects in lab models. Just skip the sugary juice, eat the whole grape. Fruit number 5, citrus fruits. Lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruits. These aren't just for vitamin C. Citrus peels and pulp are packed with limonoids, which are shown to inhibit cancer cell growth. In one study, people who consumed citrus daily had significantly lower risk of esophageal, stomach, and pancreatic cancers. Bonus: lemons alkalize your body and help detox your liver, your number 1 detox organ for keeping cancer cells in check. Fruit number 6, pomegranate. This one's a red jewel of anti-cancer power. Pomegranates contain ellagitanins that convert in your gut into compounds that fight hormone-driven cancers, like breast and prostate. They also slow angiogenesis, that's how tumors build blood vessels to feed themselves. No blood supply, no tumor growth. Plus, pomegranate supports heart health, lowers inflammation, and tastes amazing. Just make sure you're getting the real fruit or 100% pure juice. None of that sugary cocktail trash. Fruit number 7, apples, yes, but with the skin. Apples contain quercetin, a flavonoid that suppresses tumor growth and induces apoptosis. But here's the key. Most of that magic is in the skin. Peel your apple? You lose half the power. Choose organic, eat it whole, and thank yourself later. And yes, Granny Smiths are just as good as Fuji. This isn't about sweetness, it's about phytochemicals. Now here's the part nobody talks about. Cancer cells are not some foreign invaders. They're your own cells that went rogue. The goal isn't just to kill them, it's to create an environment where they can't survive. That means flooding your body with antioxidants, reducing inflammation, boosting immunity, and supporting detox. And guess what fruits do? All of the above. But be careful. Don't cancel your doctor and go on an all-fruit diet tomorrow. That's not the move. What is the move? Start incorporating these fruits daily. Rotate them. Combine them. Use food as part of your healing toolbox, not your only tool, but a powerful one. And while we're at it, ditch the sugar bombs. Not all fruit is created equal. You want fruits with function, not just a sugar spike. Mangoes and bananas are fine in moderation, but the real cancer fighters are berries, citrus, pomegranate, soursop, and apples. And always go for organic when you can. Pesticides and cancer don't play well together. If this video opened your eyes, if you're thinking, wait, I have these fruits at home and never knew they were this powerful, then hit that like button right now. And for more no BS, science-backed natural health tips that actually make a difference, subscribe and turn on notifications. Your cells are listening.